Welcome back, folks. Did you know 93% of all online experiences start with a search engine, and 81% of consumers conduct online research before making their purchase decision? This definitely indicates the importance of having a strong SEO strategy in place to improve your website's visibility and drive traffic. Also, have you ever noticed how search engines seem to know exactly what we're looking for these days? It's almost like they're reading our minds, right? And you know what? All thanks to the power of AI and ML. As a marketer or a content creator, you've got to keep up with the times if you want to stay ahead of the game. Think of it like having a superhero on your team. AI and ML can help you analyze user behavior and preferences so you can create content that's tailored to your audience's exact needs. It's like hitting the bullseye every time. Today, we'll hear from a panel of experts who will share their insights and experiences on how AI and ML will change the course of organic marketing and SEO. And to facilitate the discussion, we have with us Devinder Singh Bora, Assistant Manager Marketing at Grizity. With 10 plus years of experience and a proven track record in market planning, analysis, and integrated marketing, he's a skilled in ensuring success in any project that he undertakes. Devinder's expertise in advertising and campaign strategies makes him an asset to our marketing team. So here's our next panel discussion: SEO and organic marketing in the world of AI and ML. Over to you, Devinder.
Thank you, Sana. Thanks a lot for that wonderful introduction. And I completely agree with you. The way AI and ML has taken over all the industries, any industry that you name it, if anything is working online, AI and ML is transforming it quite quickly and very rapidly. So we all know the game-changing power of AI and ML has transformed how search engines assess and prioritize content. By leveraging these cutting edge technologies, search engines can decipher the meaning behind the word, the intent behind the search, and the context in which the content is being consumed. Today, we are going to explore how AI and ML are impacting the world of SEO and how businesses can adapt their organic marketing strategies to keep up with these changes. We'll look at the latest trends and discuss some practical tips for marketers who want to stay ahead of the game. We are excited to dive more into the evolving dynamics of organic marketing and SEO with respect to AI and ML. With our incredible panelists, some of the best marketing minds in the business, allow me to introduce them. Our first panelist is Luke Hayes, Director of Digital Services, SEO Focus. He is an accomplished digital professional and holds a specialization in campaign strategy, product marketing, and system implementations. He blends his creativity and knowledge to foster organizational growth. He is a highly proficient in Scrum project, product management, SEO, SEM, PPC, online behavior analytics, and a lot more. So basically, you name it, he does it. Over to you, Luke.
Thank you, David. I appreciate the great introduction. Yeah, search automation and chat is going to be a huge piece, but it's going to allow us to automate on a massive scale, especially from social, email. Massive amounts of data are going to be coming in. I think one caveat to it is a search specialist, you're really going to have to learn how to implement these, and they're only going to be as good as their implementer. We're going to be learning alongside these tools at the same time, as well as learning in forums like this as much as possible from our colleagues overseas in Europe and obviously in Asia, and sharing our knowledge practices because these can grow very, very quickly. They still don't have access to the internet, but when they do, it's going to explode. So we need to take advantage of having the automation done now in a controlled marketplace and with controlled specialists and us learning how to implement them and really understanding how the data should be applied to every day, as well as to give our competitive, well as to provide a competitive edge to our clients and customers.
Definitely. As you rightly said, the spread of internet is going to be a boon, as we have already seen in the spread, how quickly the e-commerce business is spread amongst us, how reliant we are on it, and it will increase even further with the growing trends in technology. Without further ado, I'll also introduce the other panelists that we have with us, Mr. Hardayal Singh, our in-house expert, who is a seasoned search engine optimizer, a paid marketing expert, and a social media guru. He is hands on with digital analytics and he holds more than 13 years of experience in digital marketing across industry verticals. Hardayal is also a Google Platinum product expert in the Search Central community. Over to you, Hardayal.
Thanks, Devinder, for the introduction. Glad to be part of this panel discussion. And I think as we are observing, like AI is taking over all the areas, and organic marketing or SEO is also not untouched. So I think it would be going to great discussion and with the Luke also to see his viewpoints and look into like what we have further in terms of AI and ML, how it's going to impact the organic SEO and the organic marketing overall.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that your takes and Luke's takes are going to help our fellow marketers a lot in their future campaigns. So, without further ado, let's delve into the arena of SEO and organic marketing in the world of AI and ML. So, as we all know, change is the only constant, and it is also the only constant in the world of organic marketing and search engine optimization. The rise of AI and ML in this space has fundamentally changed the way businesses approach their digital marketing strategies. With their ability to analyze large data sets and predict customer behavior, AI and ML has essentially become the most incredible tool for digital marketers to create successful campaigns. So, Luke, I'd like to know more about your take on this particular topic and how do you think AI and ML will change the course of organic marketing in SEO? Over to you, Luke. Luke, you are on
I
mute.
think from a social aspect, it's really going to mainstream how the replies get, and it's going to enable us to engage a larger set of audiences. Hopefully, that'll be a larger marketplace for greater revenue streams. That's also a caveat coming with it that we're doing it correctly and we're watching that this is the true audience that we need. So, for the search specialists, we're going to have a lot more work to understand that audience and how vast it can get and how quickly it can get because we're learning this curve right now as we go. I've got AI running in several social arenas, and the market's growing too quickly. It's bringing in too much, and we're going back now and trying to understand what's the quality of the traffic. How did they come here? Was it just purely social, or did the site content actually influence the AI pieces of the social communications? As well as then if we're using AI to create content, which we're experimenting with now, is that content matching the AI streams at the social streams at the same time, or are we bringing in the same persona types? Understanding the persona and having the different AI groups working together is going to be critical, and it's changing as we see it right now today. We're seeing how it's changing by the end of the week, just by the audience that it's engaging and how well they're engaging it, as well as keeping your customer loyalty there because it's keeping them engaged. So your marketing now your marketing funnels for email, business, customer life cycles is all changing based on AI, both the social content and consumer views.
Great. As you rightly said, although the conversation we were about to have was around AI and ML and how it affects organic search, but what the way you basically explained it to the audience uh, about the impact of AI and ML in actually creating loyal customers, keeping them engaged to our search, keeping them engaged to our social content. The role of AI and ML in our current marketing campaigns is massive and it is increasingly becoming important. So I totally believe that this is overstated and an underrated fact. AI is being used to improve the quality of relevant search results as well as to provide a more personalized and engaging search experience for users. Moving on to our next panelist, what's your opinion on why AI and ML hold the reins of organic search? Over to you, Hardya.
Yeah, I think I also agree with Luke. Like it's a learning curve for all of us, and we have to see like how we can leverage AI and ML uh, into our organic marketing or any sort of social media campaigns or paid campaigns that we are using. And I believe that since search engines are using AI to improve their efficiency, SEO marketers must do some to ensure their web pages are crawled, indexed, and ranked. They can either create and train their own systems or seek partners with established or specialized algorithms that mimic how search engines view web pages. Also, by using AI and ML based algorithms, marketers can test and optimize website, particularly large corporate websites with many pages, to make them more visible to search engines. ML implementations affords brands greater transparency in search ranking algorithms, and ML models can help businesses and SEO professionals identify the most profitable optimization factors from a complex and sometimes conflicting set of variables.
Yeah, definitely. So, search engines are always on the move to provide improved and highly relevant results to users. However, how exactly AI and ML will impact the future of search engines? Luke, what do you think is the role of AI and ML in how we see our search results in today's time, and how it used to be different in past? Luke, you are on mute. I guess there is some issue with Luke's connection. So, Harjal, I'll pitch the same question to you. What do you think is the role of AI and ML in the search results that we are seeing today, and how it used to be different in past?
Yeah, Devinder, I think I can say AI and ML are already being used by search engines like Google and Bing to improve their algorithms. An instance of this is Google's RankBrain, which utilize artificial intelligence to scrutinize and construct search queries, simplifying the process for users to locate the information they require. In fact, according to a recent survey, 58% of SEO professionals believe that AI and ML will have a significant impact on future of search engine optimization. And one of the key ways that AI and ML are transforming search engines is by enabling them to better understand user intent, by analyzing user behavior, search patterns, and preferences. AI algorithms can deliver more relevant results to users. This means that SEO professionals will definitely need to focus on creating content that not only matches user intent but also provide value to their target audience. And additionally, AI and ML are also being used to analyze website performance data such as click through rate, bounce rate, and conversion rates. By analyzing this data, I think businesses can all identify the area of improvements and make data-driven decisions to optimize their website performance. Uh, all in all, I can say AI and ML are already transforming the way search engines work, and we can expect to see even more innovation in this area in the years to come.
Great insights, Harjal. So, I'll just go back to Luke and ask if he has any opinions on this.
Yeah, I apologize for the delay here in Florida. I agree with Hardell completely. We're already seeing some changes as far as segmentation inside of markets. We might have thought that a marketplace might have one sort of niche. Now we're learning that there might be several sort of sub niches just by the AI identifying new subgroups or groups that break off entirely. These could provide all new revenue streams for companies as well as provide the next generation of, hey, the product needs to evolve to this, or these features might be the best to roll out next just based on AI, which have never been analyzed previously. And now it's being handed to us on a platter. It's understanding and really data sifting through all this massive amount of data for people like myself and Hardell to fine tune it and figure out what will be the best data sets to proceed forward, as well as give recommendations.
Great insights, Luke. So as we all know, SEO is constantly changing because Google updates its ranking algorithm to improve user search experience. As a result, marketers can reassess SEO trends each year to stay current with the search engine industry. So, Hardyal, what trend should we know in 2023 as SEO marketers?
Uh, in 2023, I think Google will focus on visual search features as seen at Google's Search on 2022 event. This move is likely due to changing search behaviors among younger generations, including the increased use of channels like Instagram and TikTok for search purposes. To maintain a strong online presence in 2023, it's important for marketers to continue following Google's 2022 helpful content update, which prioritize original and informative content created by people for people in the search results. Uh, there was an update called EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. It has been an important factor in SEO for a long time, and it will continue to be an important factor in 2023 also. Google has confirmed that EAT is now applied to every single query, so it's crucial for businesses to prioritize these factors in their content and website.
So, Luke, what are some trends that are on your mind?
Video is number one by far. I agree. Also, Google now is taking its algorithm and weighing certain areas heavier. It's assuming now that you're already optimizing your site. It's ready mobile in there, mobile optimize. So now, just if you don't have that, you're already starting several steps behind. And to now understanding the Google algorithm, how it's changing again, and what it's weighing to be heavier, videos being one of those, and the value of the content and your domain authority are going to become vital, because these optimizations, they're going to expect you just to have them from the start gate. So if they're not there, it's going to take longer to get indexed, which we're already seeing. And if you're not following Google's standards, it takes much longer time now for your pages to get indexed, which will hurt your SERP and your search results.
Definitely. So, guys, I think we are past the deadline to end this session. Just to sum it up, we all have to make sure that we are focusing on what Google wants and how it wants us to reply to each and every query that our user asks. No matter how much we enforce AI and ML, the human interaction is going to stay there, and it is going to be a crucial thing in ranking your website higher in the search results. With that said, thank you, Luke, and thank you, Hardayal, for your wonderful insights. I hope the future marketers and the current marketers gained a lot of knowledge out of your session. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Devinder. Thanks, Leo.
Thank
Truly,
you,
I
everyone.
think there's no better time than now to focus on quality content, leverage the power of AI and ML, and adapt a customer centric approach to your SEO and organic marketing strategies. Thank you again, Luke, Hardyal, and Devinder. I appreciate the exceptional viewpoints that you've shared today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
Thanks,
you so
Arun.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And before we move on to the next session, I'd like to remind everyone that our subject matter experts are available in the lounge area and the booth. Please feel free to catch up with them and stand a chance to win some exciting Amazon vouchers. And next up is a keynote session titled Unleashing the Power of Performance Branding. I will see you there.